Hi everybody, today I have a quick video reminder on how to do probabilities using the standard normal distribution in Excel. We'll start by finding the probability that z is less than 1.34. You have a couple of choices on how to do that, so we're going to start by clicking equals and starting to type norm. When you look, there is a choice that says norm.dist and there's one that says norm.s.dist. The norm.s.dist is a standard normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So let's double click that. Inside, we then need to put what we're trying to find. We want to find the probability that z is less than 1.34. So I'm going to type in 1.34, and then for cumulative, you're always putting in true. This is going to return our probability, which I need to expand so that you can see more digits. As a comparison, you could also type in norm and pick the first one, which is norm.dist. In this case, you again want to put in the 1.34. You would then put in the mean of 0, the standard deviation of 1, and again true to get cumulative. Notice they both have the same value, so it's up to you if you want to use the norm.s or if you just want to use norm.dist. In either case, when you're using normal distributions in Excel, it is always giving you the cumulative distribution to the left of your z value. If you want to go to the right, then you're going to have to do a subtraction. So, say we want to do the probability that z is greater than 0.28. This means we would go into a cell, type equals, and pick our either norm.dist or our norm.s.dist, and I'm going to use the standard normal. And I'm going to put in my value of 0.28 and then true. This gives me the probability that z is less than 0.28. I'm going to go to the beginning of my command and insert a 1 minus. This 1 minus flips from having the left shaded area to the right shaded area. Now I have 0.389738752. Let's do one more. Let's do the probability that z is between negative 1.6 and 0.4. When we have between two z values, we are going to subtract the two values. You're always going to start with the larger one, which in this case is 0.4. So I'm going to hit equals. And I'll start typing my norm. I'm going to pick up .s.dist. I'm going to put in my 0.4 and true. Then I'm going to subtract. I type norm. And again, pick .s.dist. And I put in my negative 1.6 and true. This returns our value of 0.600062245.